Okay, so I've had a couple of requests and questions about what I use in the cockpit to record all the videos. I use 4 cameras here. I've got 2 GoPro Hero 5 Blacks, and I've got 2 Virb Ultra 30 cams. To keep those things running so I don't have to worry about changing batteries and so forth, I have 3 10,000 mAh battery chargers. They have 6-inch cables on 2 of them. Because I want that connection tight and I don't want cords all over the cockpit, and one is slightly longer. I have a number of mounts in here. One, I have a RAM mount in the right co-pilot window. That's for the what I call the pilot cam. That's the camera that picks up the audio from the ATC. We have what I call the hood cam. That's the one you see that great shot out the window. That is just a stick-on clamp that comes with the Virb. In front of that, you'll see I have a little bit of Velcro to attach. There's also room for some Velcro here to attach the battery on the right-hand side. Right up here, you see the speaker that's the overhead speaker in the Cirrus. You'll notice on there that there are 2 pieces of metal. One has got a GoPro mount on there, and the other's got Velcro for the battery. The best idea I ever got was from one of my son's friends. It was to use a GoPro chest cam mount. See that the cord is plugged in right there on the Velcro strip with the battery. There's the battery, there's the cord, there's the camera that provides that great look. Here is the cockpit cam that gives you all the look inside, the throttle, the flaps, the whole package right there. And here is the cockpit cam. Put it in here like this. Put it in right there. Turn it on. Put it on. Tighten up the straps. Aim it right here, and a power supply back to there. Voila, there is your chest cam. One over the top, this one coming this way, this one over the shoulder, this one on the instruments.
Cirrus 8 Foxtrot Sierra, continue runway heading, expect vectors from NorCal.
Thanks for your help. Contact NorCal 127.158 Foxtrot Sierra.